Are you ready, baby? No. You ready to play some games with me? Okay. You ready? Let's go. Peepers, are you thinking? Are you just not involved at all? Yeah. Let's play this game. Do you remember how? Peepers, are you thinking? What's going on in that head of yours, huh? Yay, nice job, baby. Nice job. Well done. What was all that about, huh? What's on your mind, Peepers? Okay, baby, let's get another turn. Nice job, baby. That hit my finger. I saw that. That was good. Yeah, that was good. I didn't do so well, but you know. I know. Uh-oh. I think you're messing with me. I really do. Hey, what's going on with that? Okay. Let's do something new. Come on. Yes, good boy. Good job. I know. Okay, Peepers, there you go. Whoops. Do you have it? I can't see. I can't see what you're doing. You're being silly. Yeah. Nice job. That was close, wasn't it? That was close. I can't even see it. I cannot even see it. I know. You're making it work. Okay, let's do do this so that we can actually see what's going on. Yeah. Can we try it? Yay! Nice job, baby. Nice job. I know. It's tricky stuff. Oops, well, don't put poop right in front of the camera. Well done. Do you want to do it one more time, Peepers? What do you think? Can you give me one more effort? Yeah, one more time. One more time, baby. Yay! Good job! Well done! Well done! Holy cow!